Morning everyone, class 6, it's your maths class, unit number 6, exercise 6a, which is given in your book, page number 63. Okay, girls, already I explained definition, ratio, and 3 examples we done. Example 1, example 2 and example number 3. All parts we done, part A till E. Now today we will start exercise 6a. First we will start question number 6. Question number 6 and example number 3 both are same. That's why we will solve first question number 6. 20 is to 50 or 20 ratio 50 is given in the first part. So first we solve it. 2 dot means it's a symbol of ratio. 4 dot means it's a symbol of proportion. So first, after heading of solution, copy question. 20 ratio 50, simple 0 cut with 0. Clear? Now 2 is to 5 is left. So even an odd number, it can't be reduced. So 2 ratio 5 would be the answer of first part, part A. Okay, 2 is to 5 or 2 ratio 3, both are correct. Or if you write in fraction form, so 2 upon 5 also correct answer. But your question is given in ratio form, so write in ratio. Now second part, 32 is to 12. 32 ratio 12, 32 ratio 12. So reduce, divided by or reduce by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is left, 2 6 are 12. Ratio 2 6 are 12. 6 are 12. Further reduce it, both side even number. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. Reduce by 2. So 8 is to 3 would be the answer of part B, or 8 upon 3. Both are correct. Now part C, question is given in fraction form. 1 upon 2 ratio 3 upon 4. So already I explained in the example number 3, part E, or part E, example number 3, or this part, part C, both are same. So first we copy question. 1 upon 2 ratio 3 upon 4. Simple, take out the LCM of denominator. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Clear? So 1 upon 2 multiply by 4, ratio 3 upon 4 multiply by 4. We take out the LCM of denominator part. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 is 2. 3 upon 4 multiply by 4. Reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. After reduce, 2 1s are 2 is 2, 3 1s are 3. 2 is to 3 would be the answer of part C. Okay, same method we done in example number 3, part E. Clear? Now this part, part D, decimal is given. Okay, first step, remove the decimal. 1.5 is to 4.5. Remove decimal, replacement of decimal, write over here 1. After decimal we have 1 digit, so we put 1 0. Clear? The next step, 115 upon 10 ratio 45 upon 10. Okay, now simple, both are same denominator, so it's up to you, take out the LCM or not. Okay, but don't miss this step. 15 upon 10 multiply by 10 is to 45 upon 10 multiply by 10. So we cancel it. Okay, cancel it, reduce it. Now 15 is to 45 is left. Now reduce by 5. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, divided by 3. Okay, 1 is to 3 or 1:3 would be the answer of part D. 1 is to 3. Then part D, the last part E1, 0.6 is to 3 is given. One side in the first value decimal is given. The next number after ratio simple digit is given. So this method already we done in example number 3 part C. So first we remove the decimal 1. After decimal 1 digit we put 103. One side we have fraction form, so another side we write in fraction form. Both sides same. Fraction 6 upon 10 is to 3 upon 1. Now take out the LCM of 10 and 1. LCM of 10 and 1 is 10. So 6 upon 10 multiply by 10 is to 3 upon 1 multiply by 10. Simple, reduce it. 1s are 10, 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Now this part 1 1s are 1, 1 10s are 10. Again we get the same number 10. So no need to reduce it. 6 1s are 6 is to 10 3s are 30. Then after reduce, now 6 is to 30, reduce it, reduce by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 10s are 30. Now reduce by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 1 is to 5 would be the answer of the last part E1. Okay. Girls, this part, question number 6 and example number 3, almost all parts are same. Copy part A till E all parts, exercise 6A.